road users, welcome to Safe Driving Ghana. Today we are on the Accra Cape Coast Highway, right at the junction, which is the West Hills Mall junction. We have come across a road marking, which is a zebra crossing road marking, which is completely not visible. There's also no road sign right at this spot, which should be a pedestrian crossing road sign to help road users cross the road safely. This is a high human traffic area because of the location of the West Hills Mall and the China Mall, which is directly behind the West Hills Mall. Due to the absence of the road sign and the zebra crossing road marking, a lot of pedestrians have lost their lives right at this spot. We are kindly pleading with the necessary authorities to come fix this in order to prevent more loss of lives. According to the Road Traffic Regulations 2012 under Section 163, I am going to paraphrase what it says. It says that a person driving on the road is not permitted to exceed 30 kilometers per hour within these areas: a school, playground, health facility, a mosque, church, market, and a shopping area. All drivers are therefore to note these and do well to abide by these regulations in order to prevent the loss of pedestrian lives and the loss of their lives as well. Thank you so much for your time. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up so it is recommended to more people, and do well to share this video with your friends and loved ones so the authorities can see this and come to our aid. Thank you one more time for your time, and stay blessed.